Model: 69-plate Peugeot partner BERLINGO 1.6 BlueHDi 100S and S manual 950 professional spares OR repairs ULEZ compliant trader margin body, white, panel van mileage, 72,629 MOT, the 29th of September 2024 engine, 1,499 cc DV5RD transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, non-runner engine out of timing. Gearbox and clutch look all good. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is very clean, well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, 2 keys, cruise control, electric windows, sat-nav EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.